Easy, quick, and fully reversible. This stitch pattern is perfect for airy summer tops, beach cover-ups, and light scarves, shawls, and blankets. And you don't even need to do any mass to make an elongated garter scarf or a blanket, because this pattern can be knitted on any number of stitches. And it has a simple, easy to remember 4-row repeat. In the first row, we knit all stitches. In the second row, we also knit all stitches. In the third row, we set the scene for the next section of elongated stitches. We insert the right needle into a stitch as usual from left to right. Then we wrap the tip of the needle with the yarn, wrap it one more time, and then pull this new stitch with 2 wraps through, like this. And we do it again. Into the stitch, wrap, another wrap, out. As soon as you make a stitch, move it farther away from the tip of the right needle. This will keep the tension consistent. And if you hold yarn in your right hand, you do it like this. In, wrap, wrap, out, move. And this is all we do to the end of the row. Now we have way more strands on the needle than the number of stitches that we cast on. Don't worry, we'll get rid of those strands in the next row, the last row of the pattern repeat, row 4. In this row, we knit a stitch and then slide the original stitch with all its wraps off the left needle. Knit, slide, off. Knit, slide, off. Let's do it with the yarn in the right hand. Knit, slide, off. Knit, slide, off. As you work stitches in this row, focus on the tension of the stitches that you form and ignore the messy, elongated stitches in the row below. The tension of the stitches that you make is much more important right now. Once this row is finished, pull the fabric down to neaten those elongated stitches, turning them from a messy blob of yarn into a lovely waterfall, or is it a yarn fall? Well, no matter how we call it, these sections of elongated stitches not only add flair to the good old garter stitch, they also speed up the knitting process quite a bit. With these wide sections added every 4 rows, you will knit a light scarf, a blanket, or a beach dress in no time. The written instructions and the chart are in the full tutorial. There are also instructions that explain how to knit the stitch in the round in case you decide to make a cowl. The link to all that information is in the video description. Have fun!